Part 2, prepositions, all types with examples. So let's get started. Prepositions are essential parts of speech in English grammar. Preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun, pronoun, and another word in a sentence. It often indicates direction, place, time, cause, or manner. Possession, you can say or possession. Although prepositions are small words, they play a significant role in constructing meaningful and grammatically accurate sentences. Time, preposition of time. Prepositions of time indicate when something happens. Most common prepositions of time are on, at, and in. We meet at 5 p.m. She was born on Monday. They will travel in December. I have lived here since 2020. He worked for 2 hours. In these sentences, prepositions clearly define the time relationship between the action and the time reference. Place, on, it, or under, between, among, above, below, beside, and behind. The book is on the table. She is sitting in the room. In the room. The dog is under the chair. The dog is under the chair. The school is between the bank and the hospital. The breeze is above the river. Preposition of direction or movement. Into, onto, and from. Though, across, and towards. She went to the market. She went to the market. She went to the market. Kate jumped onto the wall. He walked across the road. They ran into the house. The train passed through the tunnel. Reason or purpose. Owing to and for. Owing to and because of. Due to. Because of, due to, owing to, and for. मैच was cancelled because of rain. मैच क्यों कैंसिल हुआ? जस्ट बिकॉज रेन की वजह से. सी वॉज एबसेंट ड्यू टू इलनेस. किसके फलस्वरूप वो एबसेंट है? इलनेस के वजह से. सी सक्सीडेड थ्रू हार्डवर्क. वो किसके माध्यम से सक्सेस हुआ, सक्सीड हुआ? हार्डवर्क. दे वर पनिश्ड फॉर देयर मिस्टेक. मेनर इंस्ट्रूमेंट. मेनर इंस्ट्रूमेंट के प्रीपोजिशंस बाय, विथ, एंड लाइक. बाय, विथ, एंड लाइक. LIKE, लाइक. द लेटर वॉज रिटन बाय हर. ही कट द पेपर विथ सीजर्स. शी सिंग्स लाइक अ प्रोफेशनल. वी ट्रेवल्ड बाय बस. प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ पोजीशन. The color of the sky is blue. Blue. This is the house of my uncle. A friend of mine called. Compound. In front of, because of, in spite of. The car is parked in front of the gate. He came in spite of heavy rain. She sat next to her friend. Direction. Participle prepositions. Concerning, regarding, considering, and including. We discussed the matter concerning your application. Consider his age. He performed well. Price includes tax. Price includes tax. Preposition indispensable. In English grammar, because of they connect words clearly and relationships. Types of preposition: time, place, directions, cause, manner, possession, compound, and participle is essential for developing strong writing and speaking skills. Through consistent practice and careful observation, learners can use preposition accurately, confidently in both academic and everyday communication. You could use, right?